Zenith Bank PLC share price continues to surpass GTCO's as investors rally in and take position in the bank's shareholding ahead of its financial year 2021 result disclosure. The Nigeria exchange NGX closed on a positive note amidst sell-offs and buy interest as the benchmark all-share index appreciated by 20 basis points, closing at 47,233.91 points to reflect a growth of 0.2% from the previous trading day and a year-to-date performance settling at 10.58%. Meanwhile, the market capitalization increased by 50.35 billion naira. At the close of market on Monday, the stock exchange market value currently stands at 25.46 trillion naira at the end of the trading day. In the meantime, the market breadth closed positive as RTB Risco led 31 gainers and 17 losers, topped by July at the end of today's session. And look at the summary, the stock market summary for yesterday. We'll look at the all-share index, which went up 0.2% to close at 47,233.91 basis points at 5,961 deals. That's an addition of 29.56%, and the volume was 421.46 million, a loss of 0.76%, and the value at 4.22 billion naira, going down 35.3%. The market capitalization stood at 25.46 trillion. That's a 0.2% increase. And also we'll look at the top gainers for the day, looking at the UCAP, that's the United Capital, which gained 10% to close at 12 naira. And then moving on from there, we see the RTB Risco gaining 10% to close at 66 kobo. Then Africa Prudential closing at 7 naira 45 kobo to gain 9.56%. Academy gained 9.5% to close at 1 naira 96 kobo, while Champions closed at 2 naira 23 kobo to gain 8.78%. And now to the top decliners of the day. We see July gaining or losing 9.76% to close at 74 kobo. Multiverse lost 8% to close at 23 kobo. Mutual Benefit went down 7.14% to close at 26 kobo. Flour Mill lost 4.56% to close at 33 naira 50 kobo. Honey Flour went down 4.23% to close at 3 naira 85 kobo. And now to the sector movement, we see NSE 30 losing 0.01% to close at 1,087.68 points. NSE Banking lost or gained 0.36% to close at 449.75 points. NSE Insurance gained 0.54% to close at 189.3 points. NSE Industries lost 0.34% to close at 2,129 points. NSE Oil lost 3.08% to close at 410.79 points. And NSE SM closed at 661.9 points. That's a gain of 0%. That, of course, standing flat there. All right, we have Ambrose Omodion, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consultant Limited, joining us now to further analyze what went on at the stock market yesterday. Thank you so much for joining us today, Ambrose.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Now, we see the market breadth closing positive on RTB Risco, leading 31 gainers and 17 losers, topped by July at the end of Monday's session. How would you describe Monday's trading session?
Yeah, actually, if you look at the market performance yesterday and the last trading day for the last week, Friday and Monday, you see that a positive return of sentiment and buying interest in the market again, and that was triggered by the results released by UCAP and Nigerian. And because these numbers that came from these two companies beat market expectation, and the most important thing is that their payout was highly, impressive in terms of dividend. That really attracts kind of buy interest again. And I told you earlier that market before now was waiting for a trigger. And that trigger started coming and in the form of both sentiment for fundamental news. For me, it's a good one because anywhere in the world, market is driven on what? On news. And because anything comes 4 times in a year, at this period that you see that people are positioning for dividend, that news of dividend, whenever it comes, and also the performance of the company is what trigger in and out of position for investors. That's why when I say that anything is more of a volatility, not direction, is because as those are coming in, people are taking their portfolio up and down more to protect their capital and also to take advantage of the market. For me, the market is really on the right direction. Even this morning, market has put on a positive note again. That means market might likely maintain that tempo we saw yesterday and Friday. The good thing is that if you look at the market rate, it's positive of 31 against 17, which is good. And if you look at the Central Index, they are all in green, apart from the oil sector that was flat. And you can see that the buy position as at yesterday was like 1% against selling position of 9%. It tells you that really the market is becoming interested because of what people are looking forward to dividend, income. And you know that in equity investment, there are 3 reasons why you're in the market. 1 for capital acquisition, 2 for what? For dividend. Another one is for bonus split, mainly from income. And these are what really move investors to be in the market. And information is what move the price up and down. And that is why I said in any market of the world, you need to bring towards your stop loss because that volatility of up and down. You need to go with it that when it does the resistance, it comes down, you buy. When it goes up, you sell. That is why at any time, don't just either go in love with top market or that market. When you do that, in top market, you sell into top market and you buy into that market. These are the purchases in the capital market anytime, individually, in equity trading.
Well, yesterday's gain was attributed to investors' rally in the shares of Zenith Bank PLC. That's ahead of its financial year 2021 result disclosure. What do you suppose would be different this time, given the bank share price movement currently doing 26 naira 95 kobo per share?
So, if you look at the performance of Zenith Bank over the years, this is a bank that has always come with impressive earnings on quarterly. Not only impressive, they grow their earnings on quarterly and yearly basis. On that note, also they grow their payouts on yearly basis. On that note, investors are always expecting that Zenith Bank is one of the big names in the financial sector, and they are expected to make the results between now and the 26th of February. On that, market is always positioning ahead of the number. And if the number comes and it's not a position, the price will rally. But one thing is sure for investors in Zenith Bank that dividend consistency is part of what the bank has been identified with. That means they're going to see that then also come with this final result. For that, if the investors that really want to take advantage of making a 10% dividend yield, can you only key into Zenith Bank at this point? But if Zenith Bank is 27 kobo or 28 kobo, they are making a dividend yield of almost 10% or 11%. For that, Zenith Bank is so that one can really function. And being also the most profitable bank in Nigeria for straight 6 years is a good thing for Zenith Bank. And that is why anytime the income investor not identified Zenith Bank.
Now, let's look at the benchmark stocks the index, which has advanced about 4,517.47 basis points since the start of the year. This is an impressive record, of course, when you look at the past trend of the past years. How healthy is this jump? Is it time for investors to be cautious?
Yeah, we know that there are different factors that supported the market to this level. But for me, as a chartist or as a trader, when I look at my candlestick, I see that the market is still very heavy in terms of an uptrend. And when you see an uptrend that is trading at above the 20-day moving average, or even 7-day moving average, it tells you that uptrend is strong. I will tell you that since December 30th, 2021, the market has been in an uptrend that are pretty much different, what we call tactical line of different points to up to this 47 and above where it is today. It tells that those factors that not the market to this level, they are still intact because 1 was the good oil price was running, 2 that the earnings that came from corporate companies as at January were also positive that support other sentiment like the new listing of for that January. But because these earnings continue to come CBN. It came in with a dividend of 8 naira 57 kobo. Now followed by Nigerian that came into 1 naira 30 kobo. And now you can also replace the result. Fantastic. They paid about 1 naira 50 kobo, which almost 114% growth in that period. Not only that, if you look at that local result, like I said anywhere, look at the company that in their what we call profit margin, having about 62%. It tells you that in every 1 naira revenue they make, they are retaining about 52 kobo naira as a profit. That is that this company is well managed and they are efficient. So that every investor that really wants to keep any good dividend, want to identify with them. For me, the market is still very heavy as far as trading above the 20 days average, and the all the factors above the market where it is are still very much intact. Because yes, good that the tension, in the tension in other parts of the economy or country is just exerting the oil price, which is good for us. And also that's also going to reflect on the oil sector here. You see that has total moves, so the way because their results are equally good at the same time. It's that this like that's supporting the market and it has not changed. And I believe between now and end of March, as more better earnings in the market, the tempo will remain until investors will see another trend before they start leaving the market. So I always say earlier that we don't fall in love with uptrend market or that event. We sell into an uptrend and buy towards a downtrend. That's the strategy to trade the market.
Well, it's about 2 hours into today's session. What should we expect?
Yes, I expect that because market is looking towards more financial results or audited accounts from the company on the exchange, but still the market remains in this oscillation. But still, we expect that if the number comes and it beats expectation, we're going to add more fuel to what we are seeing in the market so that we can see more buyers take position for the